The goal is to find the values of x and the values of y, which will cause both equations to be true statements. Earlier in our studies, we used a method called elimination or linear combination in order to solve this system. So for instance, if I were to take a look at 3x minus 4y equals negative 1 and 2x plus 4y equals 26, I see here that my y terms are opposite in their coefficients or numbers. And if I were to add these two equations together, I would get 3x plus 2x equals 5x. Negative 4y plus 4y is 0y. And negative 1 plus 26 is 25. Well, 0 times y is just 0. So this turns basically into 5x equals 25. And then if I divide both sides of the equation by 5, I get x equals 5. Okay. Now, and then I could solve for y. I could take, for instance, one of the equations, let's say 2x plus 4y equals 26, and substitute 5 in for x. So now I have 2 times 5 plus 4y equals 26. Which brings me to 10 plus 4y equals 26. Subtract 10 from both sides of the equation. I have 4y equals 16. Divide both sides of the equation by 4. And I get y equals 4. So in this system of equations, we see that the value of x being 5 and the value of y being 4 these values of x and y cause both equations to be true statements. And are called solutions to the system, to this system So for instance, if I took 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 4 is 16. And if I subtract 16 from 15, I get negative 1. So negative 1 equals negative 1. True statement. If I took x here, 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 4 is 16. And indeed, 10 plus 16 does make 26. So therefore, we know that this causes both statements to be true. Therefore, it's a system.